How to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. First thing you have to do is open up your Instagram app. From here, tap on the icon at the bottom right. Then, you're going to have to tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. Once you get to your settings page, you're going to have to tap on Account Center where you manage all of your accounts. And after that, simply tap on Personal Details. And right below here, you have account ownership and control, so tap on it. Then you have deactivation or deletion, and then tap on it. And after you've done that, you can select any account that you have that you want to deactivate from your account center. So let me just select this account right here. Click on deactivate and continue. And once you've done that, you're just going to have to enter your account password and click on continue for security reasons, and your account will be temporarily deactivated. And in order to reactivate, you could just log into it again and it will be reactivated. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.